Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video you are learning Bootstrap. In the last video you learned how to set up Bootstrap in your local computer by downloading or through CDN. And in this video you are going to learn what is container class and what is container fluid class. So I will show you with example. This is one of the most used classes because whenever you create a simple page or a website, you have to use container and container fluid class. So sometimes the new learner get confused between this container class and container fluid. I will show you with practical example what is the difference. So let's see with example. Let me open my Sublime Text, and then the last video we were working here. So inside the body section we will write here, sorry, first thing which will be main. As you know, this main is the HTML5 tag, and inside this we will use here class container. Okay, if I write something here, say h1 and then h1 close, this is example of container class. Now if you run this, so where is our folder? This is, now if you click here, you can see this is the effect of container class. What is difference? How we know that it's container class? In container class there is some margin in the left and in the right as well. If you want to check what's coming in the right, just copy it here 2-3 times and you can see. Okay, so just refresh it and you can see left margin and right margin in each, both the sides it is living in the left margin as well, right margin with the container class. Okay, so normally the content of the website is inside the container class. For example, let's see any website from here, say this one. So this is the whole video. This video section, the banner section, is in container fluid, but this is in container because normally it doesn't look good when the logo start from extreme left. So this kind of logo and the header normally is inside the container, and container fluid is complete from left to right. So I will show you same way that how you can do like this. So let's go here. All right, so what we will do with container fluid. So what's meaning of fluid? With liquid, it spreads everywhere, right? So if you click here, then there is no margin of padding in the left and right side, so it will take the full screen here in container fluid class. Okay, now inside the container fluid class you can use container. For example, I will write here header and then header close. Inside header I will use here class container. Okay, and I'll write here this is header. Okay, now refresh it and you can see this is header. It's starting from the middle of the screen, but this one is starting from extreme in the whole screen. So here, suppose if you want to check here, right here Bootstrap nav, then I will take any navigation in the menu. There are a lot of menus here, so just copy. We will cover the menu section once again later, but for the time being, for showing purpose, I'm just showing you here. So just we will write here the whole code. So this is our container class. So you can see the menu here, right? And we will take any banner, say let's take any abstract HD background image. Let's take any big image from internet for demo purpose. Let's take any one of these. Oh, anyway, we are just taking for illustration purpose. No, this one. Let me take some other. This is also paid ones. Let's check any free one. Okay, let's check. So directly we will copy it here and say this is our banner class. Just we write here div and then div inside this ingsrc equals to this image, and then here let's close it. Now let's check. So close it, close this as well, this as well, this as well. Now refresh it, and you can see this is coming in full screen here. But here you can see there is problem. The problem is that there is scroll bar because the image is very large. So if you want to make it adjustable, that means responsive, so you just need to write ing float. You will cover the image section later, but for the time being, you can see if you write here image float, that means it will be responsive auto adjusted. So you can see this is the full screen, and also this one is starting from the middle. So that is difference between container class and container float. So once again, I can take here for footer section, I can take again, for example, here in the main section, of course, it will be main, under main section. So inside main section, div, then div again, here, class, container, then here will be, this is footer section. This is footer section. So refresh it, and once again it is starting from the left side and not from the center section. So the idea here is that whenever you want to use container float in the full screen, in that case you need to use here container float, and whenever you need to show your data, particularly the section in the middle of the screen, here leaving the left and right margin, in that case you should use container class. So hope you understand that how you can use container as well as container flow class in your any web pages or website. So hope you understand with this example, and we will be uh, seeing more videos and examples in the future. So for the timing, that's it. Stay connected. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.